Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today again I am gonna do trying new makeup products because I can see so many brands are launching new foundations, cream blushes, highlighters. Few products will be like a review kind of a thing because this is maybe the third or fourth time I'm trying them out, and few products will be kind of like a first impression. Now I don't know if this is a newly launched product or anything like that, but I received this particular product from Pixi and this is the first time I'm gonna try this out. This is Pixi's Rose Radiance Perfector. This is what the packaging looks like. I don't know why, but I love Pixi's packaging. They are like super adorable and cute. I will directly apply it on my face. Looks beautiful. It's kind of that like pinkish, pearlish, some kind of serum-y texture product. I think this is supposed to give your skin a beautiful glow. Look at that glow on my skin. Wow. A dry skin and you want to have some kind of glow on your skin, I think this is a perfect product for you. Of course, I have Nykaa's All Day Matte Foundation and this will not be a first impression because I already tested out this product and I know what I think about this. So this is their All Day Matte Foundation. Looks something like this and I'm in the shade Nutmeg. I will say the shade is perfect for my skin tone, but the undertone is something I don't love. It kind of gives me that grayish undertone. I mean, they have total 14 to 15 shades. The shade range is good. I'm not saying the shade range is like absolutely everything. They should come up with more shade options, not only 14-15 shades, but the undertone is something I am just not loving. In a pump packaging like this, the packaging is really good. Nykaa's like Skin Genius foundation, I think that was the name. I hate that foundation so much. I don't know why. I know some of you really love that foundation, but I don't. But this particular foundation from Nykaa, love, and I know this is a matte foundation. This is going to give you a very good amount of coverage. I am a person, I don't love matte foundations and I don't love high coverage foundations, but I don't know, for some reason I'm just using this product constantly. This is again very affordable. I'm gonna take 2 pumps for my entire face. Take this foundation brush from Mars and this particular product is, I will say, a little bit thick, and look at the coverage. This actually gives you like quite amount of coverage. Very flawless. It is a matte foundation and a very long lasting foundation, long wearing foundation, and that's why I use that Pixi Radiance Perfector to give my skin a beautiful glow. This glow is all that Pixi Skin Perfector. So the next product that I will use is this one. Wow, you can't even see it. This is from Color Pop. This is their Pretty Fresh Pressed Face Powder. This is their compact powder, which looks something like this. Again, a newly launched product, but this is the second time I'm trying out this particular product. First of all, I purchased this just because of this adorable packaging. Like, look at this peachish, beautiful, cute looking packaging. How can you not purchase this product? Okay, so this is what the compact powder looks like. I'm in the shade medium 10. It suits me perfectly, and this particular powder is lightweight. It's beautiful, but I will not say it's something extraordinary. Like, if you ask me that, Antara, if you love your Essence banana powder more or this one, I will say the Essence banana powder more. This is good, but not something like extraordinary or like that. So I'm gonna take my Mars brush and I will set my face. Why am I so stupid? I have some cream blush to try out, cream highlight to try out. I literally powdered my entire face. Still, we are going to use cream products. So I have few new cream blushes from Ilana. I think that's how you pronounce the name. These are the blushes. They look so cute. This is their Ilana Dream blush, and this is in the shade Flamingo Pink. I have another one which is Peachy Peach, and the other one is Galaxy Plum, which will look beautiful if you are a deeper skin tone person. So I don't know which one to use, so I think I'm gonna mix both of them together. I'm gonna mix Peachy Peach and Flamingo Pink. So I will take a little bit. This is very pigmented. I don't know how this is going to look on my cheeks, but I'm very excited. I will mix Peachy Peach with this. Wow, the combination will look stunning. I know that right away. Mix this and see how it looks. Ooh, this looks beautiful, but this actually looks stunning. Sponge and blend this out. Wow, this smells so good. Oh my god, it just reminds me of my school days. So this is what they look like. I am gonna say yes, I definitely love them, and they are not like a very oily serumy kind of a blush. They actually dry out really well, and if you don't blend them on time, you're gonna have a like spot right there. Okay, I'm gonna try out this Mars All I Need makeup kit. I think you get a blush, highlighter, bronzer and eyeshadow over here. Start off with this color right over here. This is a bronzer shade, but this looks very warm, so I am gonna use this as my bronzer and blush today. I will take my M23 angle brush from Miss Claire. I'm loving it so much. If you can see it or not, but it does contain a glow without any shimmer or glitter particles. I'm gonna use this chocolate brown color. I'm just so surprised at how beautifully this is blending. I don't think you need any glue with this glitter. I'm gonna take a flat brush like this and apply the glitter. This is not pretty. I don't know what it is. Lastly, I will try out this highlighter. It is a little bit light for my skin. I will say for $2.99 I am in love with this particular palette. They should add one mirror, so this will be that perfect travel kit. So I finished my eye makeup look. I am really sorry because I was reviewing this makeup kit from Mars for my Antara approved series. So this is the eye look I did. Now I'm gonna use this new setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. This is not a new product, you guys know, but this is new to me, the 30 ml one, and it contains a good amount of product. So I am going to spray this all over my face, not too much because it's expensive. It sprays, it is beautiful, and this is the only high-end setting spray that I own. This smells good. This is very long lasting. If you're looking for a good setting spray, go and grab the mini size one, try it out, and I am pretty sure you will love it so much. For my lipstick, I have new Maybelline lipsticks. This is the shade Most Rust. It's a beautiful rusty red color. This is what it looks like, and these are very long lasting. So I'm gonna apply it just like this. So yeah guys, that's it. This is my finished face. Today I use all products and I actually loved all of them. So what do you guys think? Definitely let me know in the comments below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.